Hi, my name is Mohit Vyas, and today we will discuss problem A of Codeforces round 893 div 2. So the problem name is buttons. So we are given Anna and Katie ended up in a secret laboratory, and basically there are three buttons. Sorry, A plus B plus C number of buttons, and it turned out that A buttons can only be pressed by Anna, and B can be pressed only by Katie, and C buttons can be pressed by either of them. Anna and Katie decided to play a game, taking turns pressing these buttons. Anna make the first turn. Each button can be pressed at most once. At some point, one of the girls will not be able to make her turn. So, girl who will not be able to press loses the game. So, determine who will win among between both the girls. So, what we are given input as A plus B plus C. Sorry, A, B, and C. These are the buttons. So, we have to tell whether the first girl will win or the second girl will win. So what's the approach? So we are given a sorry we are given a plus b plus c buttons. So we are given input as a comma b comma c. So a button can only be pressed by first girl, b buttons can only be pressed by second girl, and c can be pressed by both, right? So we have to tell who will win. So uh, if both of the girls play optimally, so what will happen? What's the optimal approach? So the optimal approach is, if you think greedily, then the optimal approach is, see, a number of buttons first girl has, but this a number of buttons first girl can press anytime. B number of buttons second girl has, right? She can press these B number of buttons anytime. So both of them, in order to play optimally game, both of them will try to finish this C. So this C will decide like who will win the game. So basically what happens is, let's take the first example. First example is 1 1 and 1. So both of will try to finish this C. First, who has the first turn? The first girl has the first turn. So first girl will press the button and it will become 0, and after that it is 1 1 1. Now second girl cannot press the button C because it's already 0. So second girl has no choice. She will press this one, and the situation will become this after the second move. Now again the chance of first girl, and first girl will press this button, and the situation become like this. And now second girl has no choice to press. So second girl will lose, and first girl will win in this case. Now we'll take this case 2 to 8, 2 to 8. So so all the girl will try to finish this C. So this C can be finished in four moves. Like in the first move, this will become 7. Then after that, it will second girl will press this, and it will become 6. After that, first girl will press this, and this will become 5, and so on. So after the 8 move, the situation will be like this, and then it will be the turn of first girl. First girl will do like that. It's the turn of second girl. Girl will make these buttons like that. Right now again it's the turn of first girl, and first girl will make the situation like that. And this is the turn of second girl. Second girl will make the situation like that. And now first one has no choice. So first one will lose, and second will win in this case. As you can see, in this case the second is the winner, right? So basically what will happen is, here this C button, all both of them will try to finish. So how these C buttons will be distributed among all these girls? So C buttons will be distributed like C by 2 to each of them. So basically if it is 8, then 8 by 2 is 4. So 4 move A will get, and 4 move B will get. But if it is odd, like 9 or 3, then A will get more moves, because A or first girl is starting first, right? So so what will happen is, 3 by 2, which is equal to, if we take its lower bound, then 1. So one girl will go to second girl, and 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. So 2 will go to first one. So this is the distribution of C among both of these girls. Now both of these girls has their own buttons also, that can only be pressed by them only. So basically, In short, if I say, then first girl has a choice. Maximum number of buttons that first girl can press is A plus A is anyway his her own A plus C plus 1 by 2 lower bound, or we can say the upper bound of C by 2, and second girl has B plus C by 2 lower bound, right? So whichever will be more, that girl will win, and in case of draw, second girl will win, right? So now we will, if we see its code, then it will be like, you see, I have taken the input A, B, and C, and here as you can see, if A plus C plus 1 by 2 is greater than B plus C plus 0 by 2, then the first girl will win, otherwise second girl will win, and this question gets submitted. So this is all about question number A of Codeforces round 893 div 2.